What's up, Zee Moto Fam? I hope you guys are doing well and having a fantastic day. I'm a little bit disappointed because I came here to this canyon. This is the Glendora Canyon, the mountain road, Glendora Canyon and the Glendora Mountain Road, whatever. Because it's so windy, it's absolutely ridiculous. And then it's closed now. So I had a feeling that it might be closed, and it was so windy on the freeway that I felt like I was gonna be I don't know, killed by the wind or something. But yeah, it was it's really windy today. I mean, even though it's winter time right now, we're truly blessed to be riding. But yeah, I had plans to talk to you guys about, you know, the 5 things that I like about my motorcycle, something that I haven't talked about. And a lot of YouTubers do that, and I was thinking maybe I should talk about that for a little bit. But I'm not gonna make this video a longer video. I mean, I'm already here. I was like, you know, I would love to just record a little bit for you guys. And thank you again for all of you for watching, subscribing. Give this video a like, subscribe, and more content will be uploaded by me. The more time I have, the more content I'll be uploading. It's really time consuming as far as, like, you know, video editing and stuff like that. It takes a lot of time, so just wanted to throw it out there. I would really appreciate it for all of you to like the video, share it, comment below, and subscribe. But yeah, so I mean, I'm like all the way down here. I went to the canyon all the way and it was closed, and same thing again. So I get it. So what we will do, we will go for damn, sounds good. I'll go for a ride on the streets. You know, I would love to do freeways right now, but the problem is it's really windy. It's really windy. I love having this motorcycle on A mode. It just turns into an animal. There's a lot of people out here too again today. Okay, so maybe I'll make a part 2 of this video where I kind of walk around and talk to you guys about what I like about the 5 things I like, so I can show you guys. But for now, I'll just say, you know, while you guys enjoy this beautiful California weather. So first things first, one of the first thing that I personally love about this bike is the front end of this Yamaha R6, the 2021. It's super slick, it's super nice, it just looks amazing. It looks like an R1, and I can't get enough of it. Everywhere I go, people stare at it. Everywhere I go, people try to wonder like what type of bike it is until they get closer. So Yamaha, I give you props for that. Second is the aesthetic look of this bike. It looks like it went on a diet, because I used to have a 2007 Yamaha R6, and the tank was so big and I absolutely hated it. I hated it. It was like bike being pregnant. I absolutely hated it, and I didn't like that part. And third but not least, having this bike, having it in black and like some matte finish, I think Yamaha killed it in that part. And I personally, when I saw that online, I knew that I was going to get this color. I had the blue one, and that's what everyone has, and I am not a fan of it anymore. I mean, because Yamaha is known for blue, you know, Team Blue. But in black, you can't get enough of. I mean, you can't get enough of like how sick it looks. It looks amazing. Like the paying attention to the details. I don't even need to wrap it or paint it another color if I wanted to. So this car is gonna stay with me for a while until I decide to do something else. Number 4 is the taillights. The taillights, they made some changes on the taillights as well. It looks really nice. It looks more like futuristic. It looks like an R1 taillight. And again, that's another thing that confuses a lot of people. People just want to stare at it. People are like, wait a minute, is this R1 from the back? It looks like R1 in a way from the back until you really get close. The differences are very hard to tell. Like, there was a guy came up to me in Mount Baldy one time. He's like, oh man, is this an R1? Mine was stolen last week. I was like, oh man, I'm so sorry to hear about that. But yeah, so that's number 4. Last but not least, I absolutely love the fact that you can put an aftermarket exhaust on this thing and it sounds amazing. I just have a slip-on, and every time I get on this bike, I just want to rev it. I just want to rev it. So those are my 5 things. I mean, I can go on and on, but I'm gonna keep it short. I'm gonna keep it simple for you guys, because what happens is sometimes if your videos are so long, YouTube doesn't really recommend it to the other audience, and it can get boring. So my goal is to have it between 5 to 10 minutes or under 10 minutes. And I know a lot of you guys watch me, and you know, I appreciate that, and I appreciate the time and effort that, you know, because YouTube can be time consuming sometimes. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and make a U-turn around here, and then I will be going back home because I need to run some errands. I need to go to the gym. I need to do other things. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing. I know I just repeated myself, but oh well. But let me know in the comments below, like, what do you think, like what your favorite part is, or what is something that you like about the R6 that catches your attention. Do you think they did a good job when they what's this called, redesigned this bike, or they didn't, or what's your guys' intake on it? I would love to hear it. I think that would be really awesome to hear it, to see what you guys have to say, or what do you guys think about that. But other than that, you know, stay safe out there, ride safe. I know we all have to do social distancing, and that's our new norm. You know, I had the C virus, and let me tell you, show you how it's done if you don't really take care of yourself, or if you don't have a healthy body. But I'll end it on a positive note. I mean, the good news is the vaccinations are here. You know, hopefully you guys take it, and so you can go back to normal. And that, I'll let you guys go. Ride safe, stay persistent, positive, patience, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.